What we are getting to know as far as the Judge cash scandal that only continues to get murkier by the day, as Justice Yashwant Verma continues to deny any involvement in the case and alleges that he's been framed in a case of conspiracy. The evidence that has now been accessed by Times Now only raises more questions. In the last 24 hours, Times Now has not only accessed the video from the day of the fire that broke out at his residence, but our team also on the ground found remnants of the burnt 500 rupee notes outside the judge's residence. Now, this has been a development that has now come to light as far as what is now expected today, because there is also going to be the Allahabad High Court Bar Association that will be holding a meeting, and they are also likely to raise objections when it comes to, let's put that out for our viewers, what we're getting to know, raise objections over the transfer of Justice Verma. And not just that, the Bar Association is also likely to demand for a probe against the judge by an external agency, either by the CBI or by the Enforcement Directorate. So that has been the call that has now been made by the Allahabad High Court Bar Association because they were against as far as the transfer of the judge to Allahabad High Court. And what next, especially when it comes to the burnt cash involvement that is now said, because the judge clearly has denied any. But this is the latest update that now we are picking up from the Allahabad High Court Bar Association.
इस बात से तो बहुत खुशी मिली है, इस बात से कि उनका जुडिशियल पावर विड्रॉ कर लिया गया है। काफ़ी मटेरियल पब्लिक डोमेन में आ गए हैं, उनके खिलाफ वीडियो वगैरह सब आ गए हैं, लेकिन मेरा ये कहना है कि अभी भी वो कंप्लीट नहीं है। मटेरियल में जो ट्रांसपेरेंसी चाहिए वो नहीं है, और इंक्वायरी जो है, इन्वेस्टिगेशन है, वो सीबीआई या ईडी से होनी चाहिए, ये हमारा कहना है। इससे नीचे के किसी बात से जनता का विश्वास नहीं लौट सकता।
Adib is with us right now. Adib, good morning. There is a call for accountability and transparency in the case as far as what has been found at the residence of the said judge and what all is now being done to further investigate and inquire about burnt cash. Now, even when it comes to the Bar Association of Allahabad High Court, that will be convening an important meeting today. If you can tell us what it is that is going to be about.
Well, definitely, Amita, see, at around 1 p.m. today, the High Court Bar Association will be calling their General House meeting. In this meeting, they are going to finalize their strategy for the coming days, how they are going to oppose the transfer of Justice Yashwant Verma. The Allahabad High Court Bar Association, they have already said that they are not going to accept it. And in fact, the first letter that they wrote to the Delhi High Court was that we are not a trash bin and you cannot transfer anyone. So they are strongly going to oppose, and for this they have called a General House meeting. This meeting will start at 1 p.m. today. All the senior office bearers of the High Court Bar Association will be present in this meeting where they are going to finalize their further strategy. And in fact, they have already called for the proper investigation in this case. They say that a proper investigation should be done in this case. Only then it is acceptable to our terms. And now in this particular meeting, which they have called at around 1 p.m., they are going to finalize their further strategy, Amita.
All right, so that is what we are getting to know. As Adib continues to be with us, we speak of the Allahabad High Court Bar Association that will be holding a meeting today. And what we are getting to know that they would be, in all likelihood, oppose the judge's transfer to the Allahabad High Court, as the Bar Association is also likely to seek external probe and demand for CBI or ED investigation against the judge. In fact, during the course of our reportage, Times Now has also recovered remnants of burnt cash from outside the judge's residence in Delhi, almost a week after the fire broke out. Here's what happened when Times Now decided to do a spot check.
The physical evidence is out after the video of the burn note. On 14th of March, there was a minor fire which was reported at this location in Lutyens, Delhi, which is 30 Tughlaq Crescent Road. This bungalow has been allotted to a serving High Court Judge Yashwant Verma, who was not here in town on 14th. Later to that, when the fire department officials reached here, they found that there was a massive cash which was also found burnt. But the fire chief kept on denying for the next 48 hours soon after the news broke out on Times Now. Later to that, what we got to know that the Delhi Police Commissioner had given a video to the the serving Chief Justice of Delhi High Court. The video was subtly showing burnt pieces of cash. Later to that, the inquiry committee called Justice Verma for his disposal.
See, the reply which has come in from Justice Yashwant Verma is that these claims are fabricated, false, and a larger conspiracy is being taking place against him, and the materials that are being burnt are burnt furniture that we had seen in the video. But the video that was released by the Supreme Court yesterday speaks a very different picture, where there are clearly seen that burnt 500 rupee notes could be seen in that visual. So clearly that denies the claim that has been made by Justice Yashwant Verma.
On Sunday morning, we reached to the location and we found the burnt note pieces.
Right, Priyank, as we also speak, there is a burnt note present in my hand. In fact, Times Now was exclusively the first channel to recover the burnt notes that were present here, requesting our camera person Ankit to also show the visuals of where the burnt notes were found. In fact, there were several debris of these notes which were present here. There are still some of them with us as well. And it has been more than 48 hours, like our colleagues were also pointing out. And after that, there is evidence that has come out. In fact, there is a lot of contradiction that has also come to the fore from this story, but key evidence right now in our hands.
So Times Now has been trying to unearth the story behind, because the powerful people have been trying to hide, suppress these elements. The only documented fact which we could get to know was the reply from the Apex Court, the video which was downloaded there. But the kind of evidences which we have been getting is clearly establishing that something very fishy was happening here, and the burnt note pieces were tried to be hidden and they were thrown outside the house only. With video journalists Ankit, Sabyasachi and Esha, Priyank Tripathi reporting for the Times Network.
All right, you saw that ground report there as far as our team managed to find a few remnants of those burnt notes. However, when we spoke to some NDFC officials, the staff, they revealed that multiple such notes were found immediately after the incident of the fire, as many as 25 to 30 such burnt cash. And here are what are the other eyewitnesses have to say on it.
ये जले हुए नोट थे यहाँ पे, ये हम कूड़ा उठा रहे थे तो उसमें पूरा नोट जला हुआ था, बीच का हिस्सा बचा हुआ था सिर्फ 5 के नोट थे।
अलग सा नहीं लगा कि भैया अब इतना बड़ा इलाका है?
वो हमने सोचा, मैंने यहाँ किसी के घर में आग लगी होगी, उसके पैसे जल गए होंगे शायद, तो उसका कूड़ा यहाँ गिरा था, वो हम उठा रहे थे, उसमें से 500 के नोट निकल रहे थे जले हुए।
तो कितनी तादाद में होगा, कितना भी होगा?
वो ऐसे देखो ही मुश्किल से 20-25 नोट तो ऐसे थे और कुछ कूड़े में जा चुके थे, जो दिख रहे थे हमें वही उठा रहे थे हम।
तो आपको पता है कि किसका घर है?
ये तो पता नहीं सर किसका घर है, लेकिन ये हमें ये पता है कि यहाँ काम करते हैं हम, तो छोटी गुलाई में से ही कूड़ा यहाँ का गिरा है।
ओके।
These people from the NDMC, they have collected burnt notes of 500 from here, and clearly you can see that they are claiming that from this particular debris area 500 burnt notes were being collected. We'll try to get more words from them. Surinder ji, यहाँ पे कितने आपको नोट मिले थे जले हुए?
20-25 नोट थे वो जले हुए थे। वो
20-25 नोट थे। मतलब 500 के थे, 2000 के थे?
500 के नोट।
500 के नोट?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ।
और ये किस दिन की बात है, अगर बता पाए?
ये 4-5 दिन हो गए सर।
4-5 दिन पहले मिले थे।
हाँ जी।
तो आपको आइडिया है कि इसी मकान से आए?
नहीं सर, इतना आइडिया हम भी बता सकते हैं, क्योंकि ऐसा कूड़ा तो कहीं से भी आ सकता है। कूड़ा कहीं से भी आ सकता है।
तो 20-25 ही थे?
हाँ, 20-25 नोट थे वो।
और ये कहाँ से मिले आपको?
सर इस तरफ से मिले थे, यहाँ से।
अच्छा, ये नीचे जो कूड़े हैं वहाँ से मिले थे? तो उसके बाद और मिले?
नहीं, उतने ही मिले थे बस।
उतने ही मिले
थे।
उसके बाद और नहीं?
उसके बाद नहीं मिले।
So there you go, that he has collected 500 rupee debris from the area, from the NDMC area, because see, at this particular point, this is the area where they are claiming that they have collected the burnt 500 rupee notes. See, earlier we were showing you the visuals that how the burnt furniture were placed, but the cash were missing. But here the NDMC workers who are here, they have said that 4 to 5 days back they have collected the burnt 500 rupee note from this particular area.
Well, with the ground reports coming in, let's break down the details of the case and the contradictions that somehow don't seem to add up. Now, first is the denial of the cash found. Now, it was when Times Now on last Friday spoken to the chief of the Delhi Fire Services, where he had denied earlier of any cash being found. Within 24 hours, there was a U-turn, and now the video shows that Delhi fire personnel clearing the burnt cash piles. So was he not aware, or was he trying to cover up allegedly? Here's what happened when we confronted him on Sunday.
People want to know from you, Mr. Garg.
I have already given my statement. There is no further.
Sir, people want to know from you. That's why we are doing.
Please.
We are asking you, sir.
Please.
People want to know from you, sir.
People, I have no one to say anything. Please.
Sir, have you given a report?
A word from Isha, who's joining us live right now. Isha, good morning. As far as the investigation is now concerned, can you give us an update what all is happening in this particular case?
Good morning, Amita. There have been a lot of twists and turns when it comes to the case. At one hand, the fire chief, Atul Garg, saying that no cash was recovered, but then a video coming out where a firefighter can be heard saying, Mahatma Gandhi mein aag lag rahi hai. And then yesterday, our colleagues and me, we were all on spot, and we did find the debris of the notes as well. So it is not adding up. The story that the firefighter team has been trying to put out, and the other authorities as well have been trying to spin, is not adding up. What does seem a prima facie is that the notes were definitely put on fire. But again, several angles have come to the fore here, Amita. In fact, the Chief Justice of Delhi has now been instructed to not been assigned any more judicial work to Justice Yashwant Verma, while he is saying that a huge conspiracy has been hatched against him and he is innocent in this case. But again, the question that comes is that if he's innocent, and there was and the fact that there was so much cash lying around in his outhouse. So definitely a lot of questions also coming to the fore. In fact, we also spoke to voices in the legal fraternity, and they spoke about how this definitely tarnishes the image of the judiciary, considering that this speaks volumes about the kind of cases that he might have chaired. This is what the legal community has said. So a lot of back and forth definitely happening, Amita, and in the coming few days, we are expecting the investigation to further reach a conclusive point. But as of now, there is no clarity.
All right. With the investigation that has now been taking place, there are several new twists and turns that have now been reported as Isha continues to be with us. We also speak even as the judge's cash scandal remains a big talking point. The cash recovery is also now the beginning to dominate as far as when it comes to the political rhetoric, where there have been many politicians cutting across party lines which are calling for a thorough investigation to ensure that the nation does not lose faith in judiciary. Now with the Samajwadi Party leader and president Akhilesh Yadav making rather a curious comment. He seems to suggest that Justice Verma cannot be questioned over corruption. Now further, he says that he may have only borrowed the money and only a small amount of money that was seized. And if that is not all, he even goes on to say that a saffron cloth was also seen in the video. Now is the Samajwadi Party president trying to give the judge a clean chit even before the investigation is concluded?
जज साहब पे भ्रष्टाचार का सवाल नहीं उठ सकता। हो सकता है जज साहब ने किसी से उधार लिया हो, वो पैसा रखा हो ना। ये हंस रहे हो आप लोग? अरे आप क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई? कल को उन्होंने उधार लिया हो, वो रखा हो उन्होंने, लेकिन आप वीडियो ध्यान से देखिए, उसमें एक भगवा रंग का कपड़ा दिखाई दे रहा है उसमें। तो वो पैसा उन्होंने उधार लिया होगा तो रखा होगा। कई बार आग लग जाती है तो उसकी वजह से आग लग गई है। ये तो कुछ पैसा पकड़ा गया है, हमने आपने कई सौ करोड़ पैसा पकड़ा देखा, लेकिन आज तक उसका पता नहीं कि किसका पैसा था।
Well, that thing is true because we still don't know whose money was it that was found as far as sacks and sacks of burnt cash in the piles that have now been recovered. But Isha, that's the point that certain politicians seems to be making. What exactly is Akhilesh Yadav pointing or hinting at? Because here, when it comes to the political connotations that is also now being witnessed, Akhilesh Yadav seems to suggest that the judge may have borrowed the money and this is not a case of corruption. He also gave a subtle hint of a saffron cloth that he says was found in one of those videos that have been released, and saying that it is important that the nation doesn't lose faith in the judiciary. But rather curious comment that is now coming in from the Samajwadi Party chief. Isha, what is Akhilesh Yadav hinting at?
Right, Amita, the back and forth continues, and there are several questions that are coming to the fore. In fact, there have been a lot of questions that it comes to the Samajwadi Party chief, Akhilesh Yadav, as well. In fact, his India bloc allies have also been stating that the commentary that Akhilesh Yadav has been doing may not be correct. In fact, there is a clear divide that has come to the fore when we look at the India bloc. In fact, Shahzad Poonawalla, the BJP spokesperson, and BJP leaders have also vehemently called out the Samajwadi Party, and they also have been stating that the Samajwadi Party has not been committed to the nation, and hence these statements do come to the fore.
All right, political reactions that have been coming in, and this is coming at a time when there are several twists and turns. There are several questions that also don't seem to add up exactly. Whose does it actually belong when it comes to the cash piles that have been recovered at the judge's residence? And with that,